Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Through this video I am showing you about second part of making fireproof mercury. This is the video of second part which I have uploaded yesterday. That was first part. If you have not watched that video, you first watch that video and after you watch this second video. Otherwise you cannot understand the things what happening here. So this is the Sasyaga which we have saturated yesterday. This is the consistency I have made. If you want more liquidity, you can add more eggs, yellow yolk. There is no that much of difference in that experiment. So here you can see this is completely mixed with eggs yellow. There is no big particles are there, completely dissolved. This is what we need. So we will continue the experiment. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, press bell button, like and share my video. Without your support I can't do anything. On the first video I am getting good responses. Please continue. If you have any doubts you can ask me. I understood most of the peoples are interestingly doing such alchemical works. That is a good thing happening in our country. So let's continue. This is some amount of mercury. Black part is nothing but this glass is I am using continuously. This is normal mercury, but I am using impure mercury for practical purpose. We need a vessel like this. I am taking a spoon. Just apply the bottom. While doing, if the consistency is more liquid also, you can perform no problem. You can get, I told you yesterday, you can get up to 700 degree Agnisthayi confirmed. Yesterday we added egg yellow, then also there is no food smell in this medicine. That is a good thing happening. See, I have just applied the bottom some paste and I am adding mercury into that. Okay. This is impure mercury, that's why it looks like this. And also put some more paste on that and cover that. If you are not covered also, that thing will happen. You can observe, and also you just cover. Okay, this much is enough for this amount of mercury. You have to heat on fire. I am using gas stove. Most of the people they don't know. The normal gas stove can release up to 650 degrees Celsius. I have checked that. It is confirmedly 650 degrees. I am going to check on that fire. What I have selected with that method, only Sasyaga or blue triol or copper sulphate with yellow egg have been added. If you want more fireproof techniques, you can add potassium nitrate, Navasadar, that is ammonium. That can also mix with this one, but don't use water. If you use water, you will lose the properties of this medicine and you will be fail in this procedure. So we will continue. I am going to put this on fire. We will check the changes, what happens. This is the ultimate procedure of making Agnisthayi parada or fireproofing the mercury. It is a traditional method also. If you take more quantity of mercury, you can get good amount of mercury after the procedure, and maybe the chance of 5 to 10% of loss also, but you can get good amount of Agnisthayi mercury, fireproof capacity of mercury. See, this is melting. The blue color shows the flame of copper. You know, here we have added copper sulphate, so copper is in that. That's why here the presence of blue flame. See what happens inside. The thing is completely melted. Why we have added eggs, yellow or yellow yolk of egg, which is also have content of oil, egg oil, that will melt in higher temperature. If you touch, your skin will burn. Such type of oil will release from egg. In Siddha system or traditional treatment system, people used to make Agnisthayi egg oil. That's the same thing what we are using here, and also copper sulphate also there. For making the fireproof mercury, the thing is very low level of other metal content is entering into the mercury. The same thing is happening in the Abraga Sattva. Abraga, Abraga having very small amount of aluminium and iron. So iron, these contents should be entered while doing Abraga Jarana of mercury. That is the ultimate thing of making fireproof mercury. This is lower level, but also that is higher level. The thing is, the metal content is entering into the mercury what we are adding. This is a small experiment. With doing more experiments only we will get the knowledge. More people are not practicing also. Only textbook references are there. The complete knowledge we don't have. I am also just experiencing such things. I am not expert in this field. But I want to study. I want to get some knowledge from such experiments. That's what I am doing. So you can see the difference and changes of flame also. The procedure inside is going what going on is one type of jarana. Copper sulphate having sulfur also. That sulfur will doing jarana properties on mercury. That's why it will become Agnisthayi. In most of the textbooks they are using the word Agnisaha, Agnisahana, Agnisahatva. And most of the techniques for textbook in classics we cannot get such methods. Me also searched lots of techniques. Some classical references will never gives you 100% of result, but it will give you the good result. You can perform, you can use. I am not saying this is the high level of experiment or Agnisaha parada. It will definitely help. Doing such experiments you can get some knowledge also. See, inside red hot. I'll show you. This is continue. This is fully red hot. You can see here. Mercury is there inside. You can see the copper, small amount of copper. The drying, when these things will dry up, you have to close and switch off the fire. This will become Agnisthayi mercury now. See, what we have added complete mercury is there. You already seen this spoon is 100% red hot. After cooling only, after complete cooling only, you have to filter this mercury, and this is fireproof mercury. You can perform in alchemical experiments. I will show you. Watch this observation. It is completely got Agnisaha or fireproofing capacity up to 650 to 700 degrees Celsius. Please comment your valuable doubts and suggestions in comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you support, I can perform more and more things. Thank you. See you in the next video.